The transmission is live.
We read you. What do you see?
A trap.
On Mars, trust isn't enough.
On Earth, a delayed payment is an inconvenience.
Because Mars is not just far away, it's minutes away from help.
Up to 20 minutes, just to send a message.
Earth's systems, banks, contracts, approvals are built on speed and trust.
But on Mars, trust alone may not be enough.
Because here, the real currency isn't money.
It's oxygen, water, power, and time.
And one broken agreement could risk everything.
So what if Mars didn't rely on trust at all? What if agreements executed automatically through code? Smart contracts could ensure resources are shared fairly, instantly, without delay. If power drops, energy is redistributed by rules, not decisions. A Martian economy wouldn't just track money.
It would control survival.
But there's a problem. Because even perfect systems can fail.
Mars won't eliminate human control.
It will combine humans and code.
A system where rules are automated, but survival stays human.
Because on Mars, the economy isn't about wealth. It's about staying alive.